Hello everyone, just a quick tutorial for all you budding filmmakers out there. You found yourself in filming outside maybe where there's lots of traffic and lots of noise, or you've got another scenario where you may be picking up air conditioning noises or something like that. In this video I want to show you how to remove unwanted noise. So I'm just going to show you what I've done here. Now this audio, I've just done recorded this audio just to demonstrate how to do it on this tutorial. So I'm going to delete the original audio from here. So this is Magix Movie Studio that I'm using, 2025. I don't know what editor you'll be using, but this is Magix Studio 2025 suite. So if I right click on there on the file itself, and then go move up to audio functions, I can remove that audio object. Okay, so I'm going to remove that original audio from there. So this is what I've actually recorded, just on the sound recorder, just to show you in this demonstration. So let's see what we've got recorded. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to get rid of unwanted sound in your videos. So one scenario, you could be out in the street where there's lots of traffic, or you could be in a room somewhere where you've got air conditioning. At the moment, I'm in a kitchen. I've got the cooker hood switched on. I've got the expel air fan switched on. I've got the boiler turned on. I've got the clock ticking in the background, and I've got the fridge on. So it's obviously picking up all this noise. So how do we get rid of this noise? Well, the first thing that you want to do when you start recording a film is you want to record what's called a buzz track. Now, a buzz track is basically just recording all the surrounding sounds that are surrounding you. So I'm just going to stand here quietly for a minute. And that's the buzz track. Okay, so what I've done is recorded all the surrounding sounds. So how do you get rid of all this sound from out of your video? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Cut. So that's your video. You've put your video together. All your clips are all added. You finally finished your video. You're happy with everything but the sound. So what do we do about this sound? Well, it's quite simple. In Magix Studio 2025, I will just click File, Export Movie, and I will just export the audio only. So I can export it as MP3 or a WAV. Whichever software you're using, just find out how to export audio only. So we'll export that audio as a WAV. I'm going to do it as a WAV, and I'm going to save it onto the desktop. So I'll just click on that, desktop, and then click Save, and then OK. So that will now export the audio only. Okay, once that's done, minimize your editor, and then you will get a software program, and it's free of charge. It's called Audacity. Make sure you get it from the official website. It is free of charge. You don't pay for it. Okay, so once you've downloaded and installed your Audacity, you open it up, and what I will do, I will drag that we've just exported, the audio file only, into Audacity. Okay, so that's the file dragged into there. Now if we play that back, again you can hear all that noise. Now we want to get rid of that. How do we do it? Dead simple. All you do is you click on Effect, Noise Removal and Repair, and then click on Noise Reduction. Now it's telling you there you'll need to select what you want to remove. So all you do is you select the sound that you want to remove, and again click on Effect, Noise Repair and Removal, and then Noise Reduction. And then what you're going to do is to get this profile of this noise. So you can mess about with these if you want, but just click on Get Noise Profile. Once it's picked up the noise profile, click anywhere in an empty area and hold down the Control key and A, and it will select all. Okay, once you've done that, go back into Effects, Noise Removal, Noise Reduction, and click OK. Okay, so now when we play that again from the beginning, it's greatly reduced the noise. In this tutorial, now if you want to remove it even more, just go through the process again, highlight the noise, effect, noise removal, noise reduction, get noise profile. Once it's got the profile, highlight it all, Control and A. Click on effect, noise removal again, noise reduction, and then click OK. Now that has completely removed all that noise from this video. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to get rid of unwanted sound in your videos. That sounds a lot better. That's all the noise gone, but it's reduced the bass itself. So what you want to do is again click in there and click on Control and All, and then click on Effect, Equalizer and Filters, Bass and Treble. And you want to add a little bit of bass into here. You can mess about with these if you want. You can click OK and then click Apply, and that will add bass for you. So now if you play it back. This tutorial, I want to show you how to get rid of unwanted sound in your videos. Once you've done all that and you're happy with it, click File, Export Audio. I'm going to save it to the computer, export to computer, pick where I want to save it to. I'm just going to call it New Sound, for example. New Sound. And I'm going to save it onto the desktop and click Save. And then Export. And now that's your new sound exported. All you do then is you go close that, go back into your editor, and then you would delete the original sound and import the new sound. So Terry, where is it? Where did I save it? I saved it onto the desktop, and you just look for it. New sound, there it is. So then you drag that back into your video, and now you've completely cleaned up the sound, and what you will get is this. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to get rid of unwanted sound in your videos. So one scenario you could... So that's how you remove unwanted sound from your videos. It's a lot better. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please click on like and subscribe. Any other tips, editing tips that you might want, just message me and I shall see if I can help you out. But for now, thanks for watching.